Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your fashion line with Printful step by step clearly. To begin resetting your fashion line with Printful, first, log in to your Printful account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting Printful's website. Once logged in, access your dashboard to see an overview of your current products. Navigate to the Product Templates section to review the existing items. Identify the products that need updates or adjustments. Select a product template you wish to reset. Click on the Edit button to modify the item. Review the design, product type, and any associated details. Upload new artwork or designs if necessary. Make sure your new designs fit within the print area guidelines. Adjust product attributes such as color, size, and style. Next, update the product descriptions to better align with your brand vision. Consider optimizing titles and tags for better search visibility. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click on the Save button. Repeat this process for all products you plan to reset. After updating your products, navigate to the Stores section. If you want to add or remove stores, make the necessary adjustments. Ensure your updated products are connected to your online store. Check for any inventory issues with your products and resolve them. Test the customer experience by placing a sample order for the updated items. Review the order confirmation and shipping processes. After confirming everything works smoothly, focus on marketing your reset fashion line. Utilize social media, email campaigns, and your website to announce the changes. Finally, monitor customer feedback and engagement with the new designs. This will help you further refine and enhance your fashion line moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.